Kia is well known for its affordable cars, and now it ups the ante with a better look. A superb offering from the company, the Kia Sorento quickly gained popularity after going on sale. The 2011 Kia Sorento has undergone a complete redesign and now features a unibody platform, but sadly, reliability has suffered. More than 1,300 complaints have been filed about the current Sorento model, which has been recalled 6 times. Additionally, the NHTSA has conducted 8 investigations into the SUV due to problems like sporadic sunroof shattering, driveshaft issues, and engine fires. Even to this day, there is still an open investigation into the engine fire problem. Let's take a closer look at the 2011 Kia Sorento issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Engine stalling. The 2011 Kia Sorento's powertrain has a significant issue with sudden engine stalling. The owners complained that their car's engines would suddenly stall out as they were driving. All of the warning lights on the vehicle's instrument clusters lit up during the incidents. Non-deployment of airbags. The airbags of the impacted vehicles failed to deploy in a number of collisions. The lack of airbag deployment resulted in the occupants suffering from minor to serious injuries and needing medical attention. Engine knocking and damage. Many owners have complained about engine damage and knocking. The models with the 3.5-liter V6 motor received the most complaints. The engines caught fire as a result of the damage, posing a serious safety risk. Door lock failure. The door lock actuators of several Sorento units failed. The failures affected all the doors or any single door at random and were not limited to a particular door. Due to the failures, the affected doors failed to open. Even in some cases, the owners were unable to open any doors of their vehicles too. Airbag warning light. Several 2011 Sorento models' airbag warning lights turned on and remained lit until further inspection, aside from the airbag failures. The dealerships informed the majority of the owners that they couldn't find any problems with the systems during the inspections. Faulty steering system. According to reports, some 2011 Sorento models had a defective steering system. The steering alignments had been changed numerous times, but the owners continued to complain about their cars pulling to one side while in motion. On a few occasions, the power steering system malfunctioned, depriving the drivers of the system's assistance and making it difficult for them to turn the wheels. Oil leaks. Many owners of 2011 Kia Sorento SUVs experienced oil leaks in addition to engine stalling and fires. Some of the engines needed to be replaced as a result of the oil leaks. Transmission failing to shift. There were transmission issues with some 2011 Sorento models. While some of the faulty transmissions caused engine stalling, the majority of the affected transmissions were unable to shift. Brake failure. Some 2011 Kia Sorento vehicles experienced complete brake failure while driving in a variety of conditions. Drivers were unable to stop their cars because of brake failures, which in some cases led to collisions. Recalls. There were 6 recalls related to the 2011 Sorento model year. The issues were noticed about wiring harness replacement, brake calipers, intermediate driveshaft, wire harness and converter module, stop lamp switch may function intermittently, and brake shift interlock mechanism can chip or crack. Should you buy it? A used Sorento from the previous generation would be a good choice if you don't mind a body-on-frame compact SUV with subpar engines. The updated model, however, has a plethora of issues, some of which are serious like engine fires and engine failures. Even though the company did issue a number of recalls to address the issues, some of them have still not been resolved. As an alternative, you could choose a pre-owned Nissan Pathfinder, which is more dependable and provides a marginally better package than the Sorento.